Hello, writers, and welcome to our 10th session this unit. You guys are really doing amazing. And today we're going to be talking about balancing facts and ideas. So think back to some of our past units, and this could be any part of our day: math, reading. What does balance mean in your own words? So think about when we do a balanced equation in math. We want to make sure that both sides are the same. Or take a look at this picture here. That heavy rock on the left is balanced by some lighter rocks on the right. Balance. We want things to be even. So this is what you need to know. When you write information books, you try to interest your reader. So readers love fascinating facts, but they love ideas too. So writers make sure their writing contains both facts and ideas. So they'll learn something, but also stay interested. So let's take a look at some of the different ways that informational writers bring their writing to life. They may add a vignette to illustrate a bit of information or an idea. After mentioning a fact, they might say a bit more about the facts. They could describe something in detail or compare something that might be unfamiliar to readers with something that's likely to be familiar. So think about our work from our last session. We started with a boring fact, and we elaborated it with a statistic. So we went from female frogs can lay a lot of eggs to female frogs can lay a lot of eggs. They lay between 2,000 and 20,000 eggs at one time. Now let's balance it with an idea. Female frogs can lay a lot of eggs. They lay between 2,000 and 20,000 eggs at one time. This is totally different from some other animals, like the emperor penguin, who lay just one egg at a time. So when we think about elaboration and revising, I went from one sentence that was pretty short to 3 sentences, the last one that was pretty long. Look how much more I was able to write by working on elaborating my writing and balancing it with an idea. Let's try one more. Frogs aren't long, but they can jump super far. Let's add the statistic in. Frogs aren't long, but they can jump super far. Some frogs are 3 inches long, but can jump 130 inches in just one leap. Frogs aren't long, but they can jump super far. Some frogs are 3 inches long, but can jump 130 inches in just one leap. 130 inches is longer than 10 feet. That is taller than a professional basketball player. Does that help you picture what's actually happening? So your turn. I want you to go through your text and think about where you could add some of these ideas in. In session 10 in your notebook, you're going to find some sentence starters to help you too. This is like, this is similar to. The important thing about this is, this makes me realize that. So your job today, I can incorporate facts and ideas into my informational chapter book. I know I'm successful when I read through my chapter of facts to see if any ideas exist, and I add in ideas when needed. And remember, you can do this by writing in the margin. You can do this with sticky notes, whatever works for you to be able to stretch out your writing. Off you go, writers.